Hello everyone, I'm down here at my 8 family. I just had a tenant move out. Wanted to show you what typically looks like when a tenant moves out. This tenant's been here probably, I don't know, 5 years. So this carpet was brand new when they moved in. You can see it is pretty much destroyed, which is not uncommon. Don't give your kids slime to play with. Come on, people. Here is one of the bedrooms. Don't give your kids stickers either, play with, or pencils. It's right on the wall. Or Kool-Aid to carry around the house. And as always, the typical missing smoke detector. It's quite common. The other missing smoke detector. Someone has changed the, I pulled this was caulking, I pulled off the bathtub to see what I got to do there, but someone's changed the toilet seat with the wrong one. This is a little more damage than you normally see. The shower's got a hole knocked in the side of it, but the rest of it looks fairly solid, salvageable. The classic banged in door. More Kool-Aid stains. Looks like someone spilled a pop in the closet. Surprisingly, the kitchen looks fairly good. I need to paint those decks. Actually, clean. Pretty clean. What the heck is that? Who knows? Anyhow, this is a pretty common apartment that you'll find. You can call it destroyed, you can call it not. I don't, other than the bathtub, none of this really bothers me. It's really just, you know, paint and carpet, which is kind of what you would expect after, I don't know, 5 or 6 years a tenant's been in here. So if you can't handle this kind of stuff, then rentals are probably not the business for you, but I just want to make sure you understand this is fairly typical of what you find when a tenant moves out that's been here that long. It's not the biggest deal in the world. You're probably going to have to paint anyhow. So that really doesn't matter. The carpet, yeah, could they have kept it better? Yeah, but it's cheap carpet. They've been here for quite a while. That's the only thing that really bugs me, is there's no reason to have a hole in the shower. But this is pretty typical of what you find, so hope you like this video. Leave your comments below. Thanks.